How to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat, go to your gallery, and then click on camera roll. Select any video you want, and you'll find three dots on top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and then click on remake snap. In here, hold on to your video. After you hold on to your video, you'll find send option. Simply send it. As you can see, it has been sent as snaps from camera roll. And this is how to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.